there,
Hey,
cats!
Kat.
Welcome back to Mindful Mondays. This week we will be discussing sleep hygiene and guiding you through a meditation that helps you with sleep.
We will also be talking about how sleep hygiene has changed due to the coronavirus and giving you some tips and tricks to help with your sleep hygiene.
Millions of people have suffered from insomnia before the coronavirus. And unfortunately, the pandemic creates a host of new challenges, even for people who previously had no sleeping problems. As we've seen across the world, the consequences have spread far and wide and pose a significant barrier to sleep.
Social distancing, school closures, quarantines, and working from home are all bringing profound changes to normal routines for people of all ages and all walks of life. Being stuck at home, especially if it has low levels of natural light, may reduce light-based cues for wakefulness and sleep, also known as Zeitgebers, which are crucial to our circadian rhythm.
For more information on how COVID-19 has impacted your sleep, refer to the infographic, Sleep Guidelines During COVID-19.
Sleep hygiene is a variety of different practices and habits that are necessary to have good nighttime sleep quality and full daytime alertness. Obtaining healthy sleep is important for both physical and mental health, and it can also improve productivity and overall quality of life. Everyone, from children to older adults, can benefit from practicing good sleep habits.
Some signs of poor sleep hygiene are frequent sleep disturbances and daytime sleepiness are probably the most common signs of poor sleep hygiene. In addition, if you're taking too long to fall asleep, you should consider evaluating your sleep routine and revising your bedtime habits. Just a few simple changes can make the difference between a good night's sleep and a night spent tossing and turning. Some ways to improve our sleep hygiene are to spend an appropriate amount of time asleep in bed, not too little and not too excessive. Sleep needs to vary across all ages and are especially impacted by our lifestyle and our health. A short nap of 20 to 30 minutes can help to improve your mood, alertness, and performance.
Also, avoiding stimulants such as caffeine and nicotine close to bedtime are also recommended, and when it comes to alcohol, moderation is key. Exercising also promotes good quality sleep and steering clear of food that can be disruptive right before sleep.
Your exposure to natural light also plays a role in your sleep hygiene. This is particularly important for individuals who may venture outside not so frequently. Exposure to sunlight during the day as well as darkness at night helps you maintain a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Establishing a regular relaxing bedtime routine, a regular nightly routine, can help you recognize when it's bedtime. This could include taking a warm shower or bath, reading a book, doing some light stretches, and when possible, trying to avoid emotionally upsetting conversations or activities before attempting to sleep.
Making sure that your sleep environment is pleasant is also a way to improve your sleep hygiene. Mattresses and pillows should be comfortable. The bright light from lamps, cell phones, and TV screens can make it difficult to fall asleep, so turn those lights off or adjust them when possible. Consider using blackout curtains, eye shades, earplugs, white noise machines, humidifiers, fans, and other devices that can make the bedroom more relaxing.
And with that, we'll begin our meditation. So we'll shut down our cameras and let us engage further into the meditation. This meditation can be done before bedtime to help you fall asleep. Begin by settling your body into a comfortable position. This can be on your back, your side, and if needed, feel free to grab an item to support your head.
Now close your eyes and take a deep breath in and release. Use this moment to thank your body and yourself for taking time out of the day to look after yourself. Begin to focus on your breath. Allow your breath to flow gently in through your nose and out through your mouth.
Notice how your body naturally sinks into the position as your breathing deepens. Relax each part of your body, gently releasing any tension with your next breath, starting at your feet and moving slowly towards your shoulders. Give your thoughts permission to simply pass as you return to your breathing.
Allow your mind to drift off when it is ready.
Thank you so much for joining us on this guided meditation. We hope this helped you in any way.
And we hope to see you next time on Mindful Mondays.